My name is Ishwar. My channel name is Anal Gurufur. Please subscribe, like and share. Okay. Today topic is SSC CGL Tier 1 syllabus. Okay, only Tier 1 syllabus I will explain it in exam pattern. Okay. Here here gen here total in examination 100 questions, 200 marks within 1 hour. Okay. Scribe or physically handicapped candidates 1 hour 20 minutes given in examination. Okay, general intelligence and reasoning 25 questions 50 marks. Next, general awareness or GK 25 questions 50 marks. Next, quant aptitude or quant 25 questions 50 marks. Next, English comprehension 25 questions 50 marks. Next, tier 2 pattern. Here tier 2 pattern, quantitative aptitude 100 marks 200 questions. Okay, here clearly try paper 1 quantitative aptitude 100 questions 200 marks in 2 hours. Next, English language and comprehension 200 marks, 200 questions and 200 marks, 200 marks. Next, paper 3 statistics and 100 questions 200 marks. Next, general studies finance and economics 100 questions 200 marks. Duration time here 2 hours 40 minutes for candidates. Okay. Next, here tier 1 and tier 2 consist of objective types. Okay, total objective types, multiple choice questions. Okay, 4 questions, 4 options here, not 5 options, only 4 options. In banking exams 5 options. The questions will be set both English and Hindi except for English comprehension in tier 1, paper 2, tier 2. Next, the tier 1 there will be negative marking 0.50. Okay, 0.50. The tier 1 there will be negative marking 0.50 for each wrong answer. Next, in tier 2 there will be negative marking 0.25 for each wrong answer in tier 1. Okay, 0.50 for each wrong answer. Okay, you can attempt one correct answer in tier 1, you can get it 2 marks. Okay. Next, tier 2 there will be negative marking 0.25 for each wrong answer. Paper 2 English language and comprehension 0.50 marks for each wrong answer in paper 1, paper 3 and paper 4. Next, tier 3 paper 1, paper 2 compulsory for all posts. Compulsory tier 2 paper 1, paper 2. Here paper 1, paper 2 quant and English languages. Okay, quant in same all categories. Next, paper 3 of tier 2 will be only for those candidates who apply for post junior statistical officer in the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementations and who are shortlisted in tier 1 for the post. Okay. Next, in tier 3, in tier 2 paper 4 will be only those candidates who are shortlisted in tier 1 for paper 4 for the post assistant audit officer and assistant account officer. This paper for general science or general studies finance and economics 100 questions 200 marks. Okay. Next, here notice SSC combined graduate CGL notice 2020 last date submission 31/01/2021. Anyone who does not apply this post can only 5 days. Please apply for this post. Next, last date and time for recipient of online application 31/01/2021. Next, general awareness topics. Here current events and such matters everyday abbreviations. Here general awareness Next, the scientific aspect of may be accepted any education person. The test will also include regarding India, its neighboring countries, history. Here, history, geography, polity and economic science. Next, scientific research and general policy. Okay, these are all the topics of general awareness. Next, quantitative aptitude. Quantitative aptitude, whole numbers, decimals, fractions and relationship between numbers, percentage, ratio, proportion, square roots and average and interest. Interest here, simple interest and compound interest. Next, profit and loss and discount, same chapter. Okay. Next, partnership, business, mixture and allegation, time and distance, work and basic algebraic identity, school algebra or 10th standard here. Asking in exam 10th standard and elementary graphs of linear equations. This is also 10th standards. Next, triangle, various kinds of centers, convergence, similarity of triangles, circle and its chords, tangents, angular subtended by chords of circle, common tangents, two or more circles, triangle, quadrilateral, regular polygons, circle and right prism. These all chapters are of geometry or elementary maths. Okay, these all chapters of geometry. Next, right circular cone, right circular cylinder, sphere, hemisphere, right circular paraboloid and a right circular pyramid, triangular square base, trigonometric ratio, degree and radian measures, standard. Okay, here trigonometry ratio and heights and distance are same chapters. Okay, identities, complementary angles, this also same chapters in trigonometry. Identities also trigonometry. Next, histogram and frequency polygon, bar diagram, pie chart. Okay, right circular cone, right circular cylinder, sphere, hemisphere, rectangular, parallel lipid and right regular right pyramid. These also are 3D mensuration 3D. Trigonometric ratio, identities, complementary angles, heights and distance. Okay, these 4 chapters are trigonometry chapters. Next, frequency, polygons, bar diagram and pie chart. Pie chart here, bar diagram here, DI, data interpretations. Okay, next topic here, English comprehension. English comprehension, we are asking 25 questions, 50 marks. Here, fillers. Next, active voice and passive voice. Next, direct, indirect speech. Next, sentence improvement. Next, errors and comprehension 5 and synonyms and antonyms. Okay, these are the topics of in English comprehensions. Total 25 questions, 50 marks. Next, general intelligence and reasoning. Okay, here topics are semantic analogy, symbolic number analogy, figure analogy. Next, schematic classification, symbolic number and figure series, problem solving, word solving, coding and decoding, numerical operations, symbolic operations, trends, space orientation, pattern folding, unfolding, figure pattern folding and completion, indexing and address matching, date city matching. Next, classification. Next, classification of center codes and roll numbers, small capital letters, number coding, decision and classification. Next, embedded figures, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, social intelligence. Okay, these are topics of reasoning or general intelligence and reasoning. Total 25 questions, 50 marks. Only general intelligence and general awareness subjects in tier 1 only, not tier 2. Okay, here common subject general English and quant in tier 1 and tier 2. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Your support me. Thank you.